If you want to have a stable financial future, you need to start building assets. However, how do you acquire assets? I like to think of assets being your personal little money-making machines. They are things that have the capacity to make money for you to live off. The money you spend on an asset is hopefully going to continue to make more money for you in the long run. Asset classes include stocks and shares, property, bonds, commodities like gold, businesses, royalties for photos and music, etc., our pensions, and ourselves. Now, assets can be liquid or illiquid. How quickly you can get your hands on the cash if you needed it. Pensions are only available until you hit retirement age, but when you do, it will produce an income for you. Stocks and shares can be sold quickly, but they can also produce an income through dividends if you set them up to do this. Property, on the other hand, takes a while to sell, but if rented out, can produce an income for you straight away. Your own home can be described as an asset, and often is, but we have to be careful with this. The same goes for your car. If you have a pension, then you have already started building assets. A pension is there so that one day you can stop working and retire in your old age. Many people aspire to be wealthy and have an amazing lifestyle, jetting all around the world. And how do genuinely rich people do this? Through assets. They put money into things that produce them an income which they then live off. The assets pay their bills for them and allow them to chillax on the beach. Rich people don't need to work as hard because they have assets working for them instead. For example, if you own 5x rental properties, and each one brings in a profit after expenses every month of £500, then 5x £500 is £2,500. Could that be enough to live off for you? This is all very well and good, but I don't have money to buy 5 rental properties. So what do I do instead? If you have little to no money to invest, one of the easiest ways to get going with asset creation is to invest on yourself. But where do you begin? Life doesn't come with an instruction manual, but this course is the next best thing. With straightforward, easy-to-follow modules, you'll quickly make progress and start building your dream life, one piece at a time. This course features Dr. Steve G. Jones, a clinical hypnotherapist who's discovered the secrets to creating your dream life. Once $80,000 in debt, he figured out how to overcome his own challenges and unlock the full potential of the human mind. On top of that, Steve invited his friends to share their expertise on dream life building, so you'll also get to meet them in this course. Dream Life Mastery takes you on an honest journey of self-rediscovery to help you uncover your real why. Get to the root of your true motivations, reignite your passions, and give yourself a huge push in the right direction. Winning at life is an ongoing process, so Dream Life Mastery will help you keep that momentum going. This course is designed to equip you with the skills you need to create a life built on true happiness, success, and perpetual wealth. If you want to learn more, you can get instant access to Dream Life Mastery at the link in the description box below this video.